Guys, we're hooked up, guys. We're hooked up. Look at that, guys. Oh, Berkeley's never let me down.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
So yo, what's up, guys? I'm Barnett back for another one. And today, guys, we're out here at Beasley Hunter and Gamer again, and we're out here on this private lake today. And we got some rods with some jigs on them, and we're gonna see if we can hook a few pike or some bass here. It's really cold out right now. It's like, what would you say it is? Probably 40 degrees. Yeah. Got the trolling motor running. See if we can go hook some of these pike in these deep waters over here. If you guys are curious what we're running today, I got my Berkeley rod right here, my bait caster, my speed spool loose right here. I got some 40-pound braid on with a little jig head with just a grub tail on. That's what me and Beasley are both running. Oh, you got one?
No, I got a weed.
Ooh, got me excited. We're just bringing it on the bottom and just sit there and jigging it back to us. I caught quite a few pike last time we were out here doing this. Oh, right there, right there, right there. There's just a fish. 100%. Yeah, pike right there. Oh! I missed him. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yeah, guys, how I can tell that there was a pike there is there's always a school of crappie. As soon as the pike... Oh, right there. Oh my god. Oh, right there again. You see that? Dude, these pike keep jumping out of the water and smashing these crappie. What is going on? Oh, you can. I don't know if they can see it or not, but... Dude, I'd be happy if a crappie hits this right now. Gamer keeps sitting here, fishing, and these fish just keep jumping out of nowhere. That's how I caught all my pike last time. I'm gonna have to run back up to the house and get a crappie rod because they're absolutely just going gnarly today. And I wouldn't mind a limited crappie, would you? No? That always sounds tasty.
A couple crappie, that'd be dinner tonight.
Crappie are fun to catch. Oh!
And they're good eating.
And right about here was the juice last time. Oh, right there. You see that fish right there just jumped? Oh, look. 3.
There's like 10.
Dude, there's fish just jumping left and right here, guys. Oh, my goodness. I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up. These fish are just jumping, though. Beasley's pulling the boat everywhere.
Oh, bro, I got weed.
Wow. Oh, I guess you guys are going to keep sitting here fishing. Oh, right there. You see that one right up there?
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. I want that one. I want that one.
Guys, this is ridiculous. We have fish all around the boat, just going insane. You gotta get it right above the jigs. I mean, at the weeds.
Dude, I'm still holding that thing.
Guys, we're hooked up, guys. We're hooked up. We're hooked up.
No.
I think I should be able to get it, dude. Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness. I told you. Oh, why is my drag not working? Okay, it is. Guys, there's a nice pike. Oh, my goodness. Yeah! Let's go, boys! Dude, that's probably that's a decent fish. That's a decent fish right there.
Can I pick it up with my gloves just because
I can get it.
I don't know if you want to grab it. Especially when it's this cold. Well, that thing ain't that big, but I mean, still not as tight.
You're probably a 30-incher.
Right. I mean, even size. You can definitely have some pike in there.
Yes, guys. Look at that fish right there. There is a beautiful northern Michigan pike. Let's go. What did I tell you? that is the spot right there. Beasley just lost a fish too. I was trying to turn on the camera, and this man just absolutely crushed it. Oh. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful northern pike. Well, Beasley, I'm gonna leave it up to you. Do you want to get a release on this beautiful fish and catch Big Mama, or and let him go? He's probably 26 inches, probably. Alright, we just got out here. Anyways, guys, here's the thumbnail. Get a graceful release on this big girl. Yes, guys, that's what we're looking for. Yeah. About time. Look at all the Canadians. See you, Canadians. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna get back to you after we get back to the spot. Well, guys, I got snagged on a stick for about 5 seconds, and well, I'll just show you what happened. Yeah, my rod just completely just broke itself. That's always awesome. Well, next video will probably be an unboxing video. I'm gonna go buy 3 new rods for my bait casters, most likely. That sucks, guys. It was just the tip, too. Here's the remainder of the rod. Very fun day. Oh my God, that sucks. Just break it the rest of the way. Well, we got about our 2-foot long Berkeley's rod now, guys. That's sweet.
It's a little ice fishing rod.
Yeah, I got me a little ice fishing rod. Nope. We got probably about 1.5 foot rod now. Well, this is the only rod that I made sure to bring to Beasley's house. I was gonna bring another rod just in case, but I was like, yeah. Oh, Berkeley's never let me down. And well, today she let me down. I guess me and Beasley are gonna run to the house. We're gonna grab something to eat. Probably just gonna do a burnout on top of this rod. For letting me down. Well, guys, I'm pretty much gonna call it today for that video. Me and Beasley had an amazing time. Only caught 1 fish, and well, we're down 1 rod. That sucks. Next video, guys, will probably be a googing squad baits unboxing and a ton of new bait casting rods. I need to buy 3 bait casting rods for 3 different reels I have. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want next, or what was your favorite part about this video. Peace out and have an amazing rest of your guys' day.